Now we'll study about simplification of irrational numbers. Means when irrational numbers are given, how can we add or subtract as well as multiply or divide the irrational numbers. We can add the irrational numbers if they are like. Okay. So for example, if 8 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is given, the irrational factor is same. We can directly add these two. So this will be 10 root 3. This is something like in algebra when we get the terms like this. All these three terms are having a common thing, that is a common variable. That is why we can directly combine them. If we have to add, this will be 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 8. So how could we compare or how could we add? Because of this variable part. Similarly here in irrational numbers, if the irrational factor is same, then directly we can add, or one can use the distributive property. Take root 3 common and like this. So ultimately it will be 10 root 3. Second case, if the given irrational number is not given in the mixed surd form. So what we can do, we will rewrite it. For example, if it is given add root 48 and root 27. This is something root a plus root b. But unless we change it into mixed surd, we cannot see its irrational factor. So we will rewrite it as 16 threes. Either like this, or we can find out the prime factors and we can change this pure surd into mixed surd. But when you know the small numbers are there and we can see that this 16 is a perfect square under this radical sign, directly also we can write. And here this will be 9 threes. So here 16 will come out from the radical sign and 3 will be inside the radical sign left out. Here also we will break it. So what will we observe? This is 4 root 3 and this is 3 root 3. So when the question was given, directly you cannot add it. But when we have changed it into mixed, then we can see this irrational factor is same. Means these are like irrational numbers. So we can add directly. So this is 7 root 3. So some cases it is directly given, you can add. Some cases were not given, we will change it and then we will add. Now let's see some more examples. Root 5 minus root 20 plus root 45. When there was multiplication, then directly the rule says root a into root b is root ab. By looking at it and by looking at this, you don't get confused that root is there, so we can combine it. Here there is minus and plus sign. Directly we cannot add or subtract until and unless this part is same. So we will rewrite it and this will be 20 is 4 5s are, and this we will change as 9 into 5. Now this 20 is changed into this root 4, we can directly now write as 2 and inside the radical will be root 5. Root 9 will come as 3. So this is left out, root 5. So we can now combine because their irrational factor is same. Either direct or by using the distributive property. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 3. So it is 2 root 5. Or if from all three you are taking out root 5 common, this will be 1 because root 5 itself has come out, so only 1 is left out. Minus 2 plus 3. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2. So ultimately it is 2 root 5. So I have given you the examples when irrational numbers are given not as in the mixed form, mixed surds. So you have to convert it so that you can compare these parts. What are these? Irrational factors. And when they are same, then we can combine them. Now let's see in this example, these radicands are big in value. So we will find the prime factors and we will combine. So here it is cube root of 16. Now 16 can be written as 4 square or further 2 to the power of 4. We will not write it as 4 square or 2 to the power of 4. Rather than that, we will write it as 2 cube into 2 because we have to match the power with the order. So this will be 2 cube into 2. Now 54. We will find the factors of 54. And these three threes together to match with the order, and 2 is left out. So these two separately. Similarly, we will find the factors of 192, times, this is 6, 3 and this is 1. Order is 3, so 3 2's together, another 3 2's together and this 3 will be left out. So this will be 2 cube into 2 cube into what is left out? 3. Purposely we are breaking it to match with this. The last is 375. So we will find out the factors of 375 and we'll rewrite it in the form of cubes to match the order. So 375, you can check it by 3, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, it will go by 3. So 3 ones are 2 and then 5, next will be 5, 25 is then again 5, 5 and this is 1. So 3 5's are there. So we'll rewrite it as 5 cube into 3. Now directly we can bring this 2 out of the radical sign because cube root of 2 cube will be 2 and this 2 is left out inside the radical sign. Here also cube root of 3 cube will be 3 and cube root of 2 is left out. Here 2 2's will come out of the radical sign because 2 cube here and 2 cube here. So this will be 2 into 2 and left out is cube root of 3 minus. This is 5 cube, it will be 5 and cube root of 3. Now see, in these all terms, these two terms are like because their irrational factor is same. And these two terms are same because their irrational factors are same. So we will combine in this way that these two, this is 2 cube root of 2 and 3 cube root of. So 2 plus 3 is 5 cube root of 2. And here it is 4. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. 1 we don't write, so minus cube root of 3. So sometimes the irrational numbers which are given all will not have the same irrational factor. It can be different. But what will we do? We will combine the like ones. So these two are like and these two are like. So separately it will come like this. Now after this we'll see how can we multiply and divide the irrational numbers. In multiplication of irrational numbers, we will apply this rule or nth root of A into nth root of B is nth root of AB. It means that if the order is same, directly we can multiply the radicals. For example, root 2 into root 3, that will be root 6. But if the order is not same, for example, we have to multiply root 2 and cube root of 3. So again, we will equate the order. Here the order is 2, here it is 3. So what will we do? We will find out LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. Means this is to be rewritten in the form of order 6 and this also. So this we will write as what have we done? We have introduced 3 outside, 3 inside the radical sign. Here 2 outside and 2 inside the radical sign. Ultimately, it is 6th root of 8 and 6th root of 9. Now the order is same. Compare it with this. So this will become 6th root of 8 into 9. That is 6th root of 72. You can only multiply when the order is same. Similar way, we can do it for multiplication. Division. In division also, the rule is if it is nth root of A upon nth root of B, you can directly write it as nth root of A upon B. So if I say it is under root of 12 upon under root of 6, this directly we can write as under root of 12 by 6. So this will be under root of 2. But if it is different, means under root of 2 upon 27 and under root of cube root of 7, means what we have seen, different order, then you cannot directly divide it. So same rule, what will we do? We will find out the LCM and then we will combine. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So this we will rewrite it as 3 into 2. So here 27. This is out 2 and we have given 3. So 3 we have to introduce over here. And here this is 3 into 2. So this will be 7 square. So like this, you can combine it under the same order and further we can simplify it when the orders are same. In this case, what we have seen, the division of irrational numbers. Sometimes when the order is same, the left out number, means what we have done, we have combined it, the left out number will not be an irrational. So it is not important whenever you are multiplying or dividing two irrational numbers, the answer is irrational only. This ultimately can come out of the radical sign, means it can remain as a rational number also. Now we will see how can we apply the identities in simplification of irrational numbers. The questions of type this a plus b into a plus b. This is something like a plus b the whole square. So we will just write the expansion in that form. So first quantity x square plus twice ab plus second quantity square. So this will be 2 plus 2 root 6 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 plus 2 root 6. Same thing. Instead of plus, if it is minus, then instead of a plus b, it will be a minus b the whole square. So same way, you just change this sign. Ultimately, it will be 5 minus 2 root 6. But if it is given one positive and one negative, in that case, this will be a plus b into a minus b, which will further give a square minus b square. So here this will be root 2 square minus root 3 square. This will be 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. This particular identity is very important here. Why? This we will be using in the topic rationalization, because these two are called conjugates. Means after simplification, what we are getting? A rational number. This we will do further in rationalization. So third identity, a plus b into a minus b, will be used over there. And the last, we can also use distributive property, or which is same as the identity x plus a into x plus b. So when root 2 plus root 3, root 2 plus root 5. So this we can do it in the way root 2 into root 2. Root 2 will be multiplied by both, plus root 3 will be multiplied by root 2, and root 3 will be multiplied by root 5. This is something you can say that open the bracket or apply the distributive property. This is multiplied by this full bracket, and this root 3 is multiplied by this. Further it will be 2 plus root 10 plus root 6 plus root 15. So in this way we can use the identities in simplification of irrational numbers.